Hey everyone, this is Lola Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm here to recreate a bass inspired by Cold Hard, and it sounds like this. This is the original sound. If you want to listen to only the preset and the MIDI, pretty cool sound, right? And this is part of our preset pack that we released recently with Production Music Live called House Music for Serum. And you can grab it here in the description below. 79 amazing presets for house music, and I'm sure that you're gonna like it. And also, if you're liking this video, hit the like button. If you're loving it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the sound design channel. But let's get started with the sound design. Let's get started with the recreation. We're gonna start here with LFO 2. It's really important for the preset, so we're gonna leave it on. If you don't have LFO 2, you can find it here in the description. There is a plugin called Flux Mini 2, which is free, and you can create the same kind of volume shaping effect. I'm gonna leave a link here in the description below as well. But let's go to Serum. Let's make Serum bigger, and let's get started with the sound design over here. So in Serum, we're gonna start here with the default wave. We're gonna just make it 2 octaves down. And basically that's it with the oscillators. We're not gonna do anything else. Now we're gonna go into the envelope, and 1.05 over here, it's sustained all the way down. The release is gonna go to 440, something like this. And you can see that because we increased the release, there's a lot more notes getting on top of the other. And we need to activate the mono for this to work properly. But we can barely listen to the 2 notes hitting ta-dun, 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 because we need to shape this sound a little bit more. And we're gonna start shaping the sound here with MG Low 24. We're gonna choose just A because we only have A. We're gonna put this all the way down, and we're gonna put the resonance down to 0. The drive is gonna go to 35, and we're gonna modulate this with envelope 1, and we're gonna modulate to around something like this. Now we already hear that sound being a little bit more plucky, and that comes from the sustain being down and the decay up. So now let's go into the effects section. We're gonna have to make it wider. If you listen to the original, it's wider, it has less low end, it has delay, it has reverb. So let's go into here and hyper and dimension to make it wider. Detune unison as it is. You're just gonna make sure that the wet over here goes to 57. Dimension size all the way down, and the mix here is going to go to 79. So this is how it sounds like without it. Only hyper, only dimension. So basically hyper is detuning the sound and dimension is making it even wider. That's the way that I see it. That's the way that I use this effects over here. Now distortion, tube distortion, we're gonna go here and put the drive here to 90%. Completely crush the sound, but we need this to get a little bit more character in the sound. Now filter, MG Low 24 again, and cut off all the way down. We're not gonna listen to anything, so we're gonna modulate this with now envelope 2. Envelope 2 is gonna be a little bit shorter than envelope 1, so sustain again all the way down. Decay here now to 800, something like this. And basically this is gonna modulate this at around here. Really good, right? Now EQ, you're gonna have to take the low cut out. You're gonna have to do a low cut actually. So now basically over here, we're gonna do a low cut. The Q is gonna be at 45 and the frequency is going to go at 157. You can see that the sound starts to shape itself. We also have to do a bell curve over here at 512, something like this. The Q is gonna go over here and the gain is gonna go around 5 dB. Without it, you can see that the sound is a little bit more MIDI right now, and that's what we're actually doing with the EQ. Now delay. Delay, we're gonna choose here 1/8 dot. because this is going to make the sound bounce from left to right a little bit more. It's almost like a ping pong effect. The frequency here is going to go to 4,200, something like this. And the Q is going to go around over here. However, this has too much delay. And we're going to put here the wet to 20. If you want to make this sound a little bit more ethereal, you can put a little bit more of reverb over here. I wouldn't recommend this because this is a bass. Always low cut this because, again, this is a bass. And I would put just a short amount of it. But again, not necessary. Or if you want to make the sound go even crazier, add a compressor, put the multiband over here. You can see how this makes the sound a little bit more metallic. Is that it? No. We still need to push a little bit more of the pluck of the sound. If you listen to the original, you can see that there's a little bit more pluck. The pluck has a little bit more edge over there. What we're going to do is envelope 3. We're going to go and put the sustain all the way down. The decay is going to go to around something like this. And we're going to go here in the matrix. We're going to go envelope 3. Put the global master tune to around 15. What this is going to do, this is going to intensify the pluck of the sound. I'm just going to go around with it just so you can listen. So this is adding a little bit more punch by making the master tune a little bit more detuned for 13 milliseconds. Basically, we're giving the attack by creating a little pitch shift in the beginning of the sound. And if you listen to it right now. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel. And check our preset out here in the description below. And I hope to see you soon in the next sound design channel video. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.